Which animal is known for changing color to blend into its surroundings? Gecko, chameleon, iguana, salamander. The correct answer is chameleon. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Jellyfish, octopus, shark, starfish. The correct answer is octopus. How many cards are in a standard playing deck, excluding jokers? 50, 52, 54, 56. The correct answer is 52. Which part of the human body contains the most bones? Hand, leg, spine, skull. The correct answer is hand. Which movie villain commands an army of small yellow minions? Gru, Dr. Evil, Megamind, Vector. The correct answer is Gru. The Byzantine Empire preserved and transmitted ancient Greek and Roman culture during a period often called the Byzantine Renaissance, Carolingian Renaissance, Islamic Golden Age, Hellenistic era. The correct answer is Byzantine Renaissance. Who painted the famous artwork The Starry Night? Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso,
Henri Matisse.
The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. The Carthaginians had a powerful navy led by commanders known as triremes, admirals, navigators, tetrarchs. The correct answer is admirals. Gallium is a silver-colored metal best known for which unusual property? It glows in the dark. It melts near room temperature. It is magnetic. It floats on water. The correct answer is, it melts near room temperature. What is the capital city of St. Lucia, an island state in the Caribbean Sea? Castries, Basse-Terre, Kingston, St. George's. The correct answer is Castries. Who is the longest-serving Prime Minister in modern UK history? Winston Churchill, Margaret Thatcher, Harold Wilson, Tony Blair. The correct answer is Margaret Thatcher. What is the formal term for when an employee voluntarily leaves their job with notice? Resignation, termination, dismissal, furlough. The correct answer is resignation. During X-rays, what metal is used in the protective bib to block radiation? Iron, silver, lead, zinc. The correct answer is lead. If you wanted to visit the country with the most lakes on Earth, where would you book a flight? Russia, Finland, United States, Canada. The correct answer is Canada. In the classic animated series The Flintstones, what was the first name of Fred's wife? Betty, Wilma, Judy, Jane. The correct answer is Wilma.